Hello friends. In the last lecture we were discussing regarding the bill buying rate. And if I'm not wrong, in the last video which I have uploaded, in that we have discussed about the buying rate of the bill. That means the documentary bill. And in that respect we have seen that about the case of premium. There are two cases of foreign currency. Either the foreign currency can be at premium or it can be at discount. In the last video, we have discussed about the case of the premium, that when the dollar or foreign currency is quoted at premium. In that case, we have seen that how the calculation will be done, in which we have seen the usance period and transit period will be rounded off to the lower month. In today's video, in today's lecture, we are going to have the more descriptive aspect about the premium as well as the case of the discount.
Yesterday, we were discussing regarding the bill buying rate. And in that concept, we landed to the conclusion that if the forward rates, are available at premium, then usance and transit period will be rounded off to lower month. And if forward rates are available at discount, then usance period and transit period will be rounded off to higher month. With respect to lower and higher month, I said lower means the first day rate of the month. The first day of the month, the rate available on the first day of the month will be the lower. And as we are aware, the first day opening rate is always the last month closing. So we can say that lower month is the last month closing rate, and higher month is the current month closing rate. This has been taken as a concept. And moreover, I also said, keep in mind also, when we are trying to know that whether the forward rates are at premium or discount, I am using the word forward rate, not the spot rate. Spot rate is the current rate, and forward rate starts from the preceding months. So, for knowing the foreign currency is at premium or discount, we have to look at the preceding month rates, not the spot rate. Spot day rate will not be considered for knowing that whether the foreign currency is at premium or discount. Only the preceding month rates has to be considered. Like in this case, you can see on the screen that we have 1300 as purchasing and 1200 as selling. That means bank is going to purchase as 13 and sell at 12. This is descending. This is decreasing. So when it is decreasing or descending, it will be discount forward margin. In the same way, here also you can see from 4000 to 3900 descending, 45 to 44 descending. That means we have to see the rates horizontally, not vertically. In the same way, when we have taken the case of premium, you see the forward month, the preceding month rate from 2000 to 2100 increasing, 5000 to 52 increasing, 6500 to 66 increasing. That means they are at premium. That means we are not looking at the spot rate. Always keep in mind that for knowing the forward premium or discount, we will not consider the rate of the spot rate. We will consider the rate, the forward margins which are given for the preceding months. Right? So, in nutshell, I have explained. Now, as we have drawn a format, as we have drawn the format for calculating, the TT buying rate, in the same way, we will also have the format for bill buying rate. And let us try to construct the format. You and me together, we will try to construct the format itself. The heading we can give, because if you are aware about the concept of the format, this is bill buying rate. Because if you are able to understand the concept of the format, then I suppose you will not find any problem in solving also. Let us move to the next page. This we can say as particular, and the amount column we can draw. So first of all, USD oblique INR, or you can say as rupees. This is buying case. So market spot buying rate. Again, you can give a pause. Always give a pause, a space. USD 1 is equal to, better if I bring it here, is equal to rupees, something it is given as, suppose rupees or INR, you can write down. Then it is a bill buying and bill buying concept. So we will have the concept of forward premium or forward discount also. So suppose we have forward premium. So add. I always said premium has to be added to the spot rate. Add forward premium. And also we have said that usance and transit period will be rounded off to lower month, right? Next we can say, or the case can be of discount also, or less forward discount. And again, we can repeat this, but with a change thing. That means usance and transit period will rounded off to higher month. If it is forward margin, if it is forward premium, then we have to add something in terms of rupees. We can say add rupees, and if it is discount, we can say minus. I'm saying that it can be both. It can be either of the two. Minus, whatever the case will be. Then this is the nothing to be named as. That means here we will get plus forward minus discount, whatever that is the case may be, we get the residual, the difference of the two, and then we minus the exchange margin. An exchange margin, that means that is a less sign we have already said, that means minus rupees dash dash dash. And whatever you get after that, this will be called as bill buying rate for, better if you write for USD. Generally, books have not given this thing, but I suppose because when I'm writing USD, that means I'm just trying to say that we are having the conversion of USD into Indian rupees. That means there will be cases other than USD also. So better if you write bill buying rate for USD, and it will be in rupees dash dash dash. This will be your answer, and at last you can say that rounded off in the multiple of 0.0025. The rate has to be. This is the format that you have to follow for calculating bill buying rate. And I hope you are clear about that. Simple. In the previous case, if you remember, that it was the TT buying rate, we were not having this portion. We were having only the spot rate and the exchange margin. But when we are taking the case of bill, we have to consider the forward premium or forward discount also. The reason being, there is a gap, there's a delay in maturity or the payment settlement itself. Now, the small problem I try to take up.
So at the end, I hope that whatever we have discussed regarding the bill buying rate, you must have understood. Today we discussed that how the bill will be calculated, that when the foreign bill is placed with the bank, then how the calculation will be done if the foreign currency is at premium as well as discount. Along with that, we have also discussed that what should be the format that we are supposed to follow for the calculation of bill buying rate. In the next lecture, we will take up the numerical aspect, and this format which I have given and which we have discussed today, we are supposed to follow the same format for the calculation of the numerical aspect. Thank you.